Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is D Combat Zone. Guys, this is the blockchain powered MMA and is the world first MMA DAO project. Guys, in this project they have full stack content marketplace. Also, there are no rules fight policy and the coins are limited supply. So guys, you can also buy the D Combat coin here. Just click on the buy D Combat here and you will buy the coin easily here. So guys, they also added the welcome to MMA on the blockchain. So the D Combats maximizes the value of MMA by merging it with blockchain technology. MMA is a thriving industry and D Combat takes it to Web3 as a DAO. D Combat crowdfinancing produces and provides liquidity to 100% blockchain powered fighting entertainment with a no rules fight policy. Guys, they also read that if the UFC feels old and dusty, D Combat is your on-chain steroid treatment. We believe in fintech, roid rage, baby. So guys, they also write here about the D Combat that the D Combat combines a decentralized business model with top of the class MMA entertainment with one of the most innovative tech solution. D Combat spells a historical shift in MMA and online sports. You can also read here more about the D Combat and also there as yourself. Please, do you regret not getting in on Bitcoin 10 years ago? Now is your chance to make up for it. Get in while you still can. So guys, this is the blockchain powered MMA and this is the awesome power of meta sports. So guys, they also have the bridge between physical sports and blockchain technology, higher liquidity and profit returns, no middleman. Your stacks are yours, faster, harder and more fun. Guys, in the innovation and profit, they also have what makes D Combat special. So it's a direct ownership, highest appreciating assets, no holds barred, and also guys, more fun, innovative design and no middleman. So guys, you can also about the direct ownership and all these good headings in details here. And guys, if we are talking about the full Web3 integration, so state of the art dApp. So they also write that the dApp D Combat's mobile app combines the power of Web3 and the ease of a user-friendly UI. Token holders can buy, sell, trade and stack their digital assets while enjoying new content every day. So guys, they are going to launch their app on the Google App Store and also Google Play Store. You can also download the apps from the Google Play and App Store easily when they are going to launch their app. So they also write that a new content every day, exclusive token holders perk, highest stacking returns in the industry, and guys, also full DAO ownership. You have that you own Combat. They also write the more detail here, so you can read here quickly. And guys, you can get the D Combat tokens for just $0.05 per token, and in the BNB the price of the one coin is almost 0.000122 now. So you can easily buy the D Combat coin here. Just click on here. And guys, they also that the trade native assets, exclusive NFT market. Looking for a high value MMA NFTs, D Combat's native NFT marketplace offers a premium selection of NFTs with appreciation rates higher than any competitors. So guys, buy, sell, trade and stack. Building your portfolio of NFT investments has never been easier. And also there are the token holders enjoy exclusive access to the marketplace and access a wide range of NFTs and digital assets. So exclusive NFT editions, high liquidity market, top range valuable assets, partnership with major MMA firms. So guys, they also launch the live events and they also added free NFT tickets for all token holders. So guys, you can launch events here. And guys, you can easily buy the coin. So these are the details as how you can buy the coins of the Decombat here easily. And guys, you must to install your MetaMask, and then after add the BSC network, and guys after that buy the Binance coin and exchange for Decombat tokens. So guys, they also write the schedule like airdropped in 2021, ICO crowd sale, exchange listing, DAO launch, and this is going to in March 3 2022, and exchange listing is in January 2022. And guys, they also launch live party, and which is almost 20 July 2022, and the native blockchain is in launched December 2022. So guys, you can easily sign up here and buy the coin here. So guys, the ICO crowd sale ends in almost 31 days, 17 hours, 6 minutes and some seconds. And guys, also you can join their newsletter. Just put it to your email here, click on this option, and they also write that the 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Just put it 16 here and click on the send option. And these are the FAQs. So how can I participate? So this is the first question. Just click on this question and we will get the answer here. And guys, this is the second question. What does Combat do? What's DAO? Is Decombat a DAO? So just click on the question and you will get the answer here also. So guys, we have also bounty about the Decombat coin. So if you want, you can join this bounty here also. And guys, the bounty start on November 16th. So just for 2 weeks the bounty will be live, so you can join that. And guys, it's almost 5 lakh Decombat tokens are going to distribute for those participants who are going to participate in this bounty. So guys, these are the rules of the bounty. And guys, this is the spreadsheet of the bounty. So guys, in the Twitter campaign, you must have at least minimum of 300 followers. You must to follow the Decombat 2 page. And guys, only one registered person will participate just through their one account in this campaign. And guys, only post once a week for Twitter reports on this bounty thread. And guys, make 2 tweets about the Decombat on your Twitter account per week. So guys, you can also read more here, and these are the hashtags. You must use these hashtags in your post and make 5 retweets from Decombat Twitter page. So this is the registration form. Guys, if you are going to participate in this Twitter campaign, then you must fill the registration form. So just put it to your Bitcoin Talk username here, Bitcoin Talk profile link, pro authentication. Just put it to your Telegram username. And guys, after that you are going to put the Twitter name, Twitter audit link, and just select the follow that how much followers on your account. So after that, just put it to your BSC smart wallet address here and just click on the submit, and you are going to participate in this campaign. So the other campaign is the Reddit campaign. If you have good amount of karma, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. Guys, these are the hashtags that you are going to use when you are going to post comments or anything in the Reddit campaign. Only one participant use one registered account in this campaign, and only post once a week for Reddit reports on this bounty thread. And guys, this is the form. If you want to participate in this campaign, then you must fill the form here also. So guys, this is a blog post campaign, and have at least 100 estimate, has medium follower, and flagged has private suspended account will not be accepted. Only register one estimate or medium account for the participant. Only one estimate account blog post entry per week is allowed. So guys, they just need in English article, and they are going to allow just English language articles, and the other languages will not be accepted. So these are the hashtags you must fill. You must use these hashtags in the post. And guys, if your article is good, then you will get a good amount of stacks here also. Like the Epic, if your article is very good, then they are going to add almost 1600 stacks in your profile, and this is the submission form. Guys, in the video campaign, if you have good amount of followers, like they are going to need almost 100 YouTube or TikTok subscribers, and you must to submit one video in this campaign per week is allowed. And guys, they are just approve the English video language. Other languages will not going to be accepted. And you can also post your video on TikTok. So guys, at least minimum make the original and unique video, and it's all at least minimum of 3 minutes long. So guys, include the hashtags listed below your Bitcoin Talk username and BSC wallet address on the video description for verification of ownership. And guys, these are the hashtags that you are going to must submit in the description. So guys, you will get good amount of stacks here. Also, if your good video is very good, this is a submission form. In the Telegram campaign, guys, only register one Telegram account for participant, and locked has private account, suspended account will not be accepted. Make 5 posts about Decombat with your Telegram account per week. And guys, same as it is, you are going to post this hashtag must in your posts. And guys, this is the registration form, and you will get a good amount of stacks if you are going to wear the avatar. And 100 stack per week you will get, and 5 per week you will get also 100 stack more per week here. This is the registration form. So if you are going to participate in this campaign, then you must to fill the registration form. So guys, this is our another crypto project. So if you have any type of question, then you will ask in the comments. So I hope you like my video.